Yeah.
I am recording.
Now you are.
Now ya.
Good thing they sandbagged.
Yeah, the entire building is underwater practically. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh. Huh.
What?
We're stuck. We're surrounded by water and it's coming closer.
You don't need to go any further.
Okay.
That's deep.
Oh, there's a bee. What's that? They're fast moving. Look, there's like bumps or something.